A good night's sleep is essential for a healthy and productive life. However, many people struggle with falling asleep due to stress, anxiety, or a busy mind. One effective way to prepare for a peaceful night's sleep is through meditation. In this guide, we will walk you through a 10-minute meditation that can help you relax and unwind before bedtime. Start by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Make sure you are in a quiet and peaceful environment where you can focus on your meditation without distractions. Take 3 deep cleansing breaths to clear your mind and prepare your body for relaxation. Inhale deeply, allowing your stomach and rib cage to fully expand. Hold your breath for a few seconds, and exhale with a powerful sigh. Repeat this process 3 times. As you continue to breathe deeply, stay connected to your breath and body. Feel the weight of gravity and let any thoughts from the day flow through your mind without engaging with them or judging them. Focus on staying present and centered, accepting and allowing your thoughts to pass by. Tune into your heart, the space in the middle of your chest. Spend a few breaths connecting to this space and affirm to yourself that you are ready for peace, love, and relaxation. Let go of any tension in your muscles and allow your body to prepare for a restful sleep. Set an intention for your dreams, asking them to assist you with something you are working on in your waking life. Trust that your dreams will help you and that the answers you seek will come to you in your sleep. Express gratitude to yourself for taking the time to meditate and prepare for a peaceful night's sleep. Feel grateful for how you feel and for the perfect night's rest that you are about to have. When you are ready to finish the meditation, transition slowly from a meditative state to sleep. Take your time and enjoy the feeling of relaxation and calmness that you have achieved through your meditation. In conclusion, meditation is an effective way to prepare for a peaceful night's sleep. By following these steps, you can relax your mind and body, connect with your heart, Set an intention for your dreams, and express gratitude for the restful sleep that you are about to have. Incorporating this 10-minute meditation into your bedtime routine can help you fall asleep faster and wake up feeling refreshed and energized.